Are your iPad Pro 11-inch 2018 in need of repairs? Look no further than JTG Systems in Niagara-on-the-Lake. We have the experience and know-how to get your device back up and running in no time. We offer a wide range of services like screen replacements, battery replacements, and much more. Don't go to a shop that won't take the time to make sure your device is repaired to the highest standards. Call us today at 905-892-4555 and let us show you why we are the best in the business. iPad Pro 11-inch 2018 Repair Niagara-on-the-Lake, now at JTG Systems.